Hello friends, good day to you all. When we are talking of specific permanent exclusions in a health insurance policy, one important thing we must understand is regarding prosthetic items used as part of this treatment. So any external prosthetic item is not covered under insurance policy. That is, any crutches given to a person or any other thing that is externally used is not covered under the policy. Only those implants that are used during the surgical procedures are covered under the insurance policy. So many people say that their claim for a wheelchair is not admitted, their claim for no crutches are not admitted. All these things are not admitted as part of insurance, health insurance policy, because they fall under specific permanent exclusions.